Okay, diagram is explaining a workflow of JWT authorization, JWT token authorization. Okay, so uh, how it works actually? For example, we got this. This is I will explain like from zero and much as I can in detail. So you know, I covered everything. So this login page represent the front end UI or landing page or something where user can use the login, click on the button and whatever, and the form for login. And when user use it, it clicks submit the credentials to the server, so it fill up the email password, and the request is sent to the backend. On the backend side, we now have two options. First one, in most cases, backend is doing the validation of that request and checking if everything is okay or if we are missing something in the request, or and usually there's two options to handle like error. For example, something is missing from the request, or user at all is not authorized, or it's not sign up, so please navigate it to the sign up page or whatever. So this is handled like that, and we usually return the user to the same, reset the state, or navigate maybe to the sign up page, regardless of the server validation and what server's response with it. The other case is when server responds with the 200, and when service responds with it, it attach the token in the response JSON. So, and this is how token looks like, guys. This is a response, probably a response inside the body, and this is a token. This is decoded header and decoded payload. So when you decode the token in the some SDK, or there's a JWT IO page where you can decode any token that you get. So it carries the information about the user, about the token expire time and that kind of stuff. So you know when we get that token, the application we need, I mean, the front end handles it. The front end handles the token and stores it. And this is a key point here. So, and this is a like most sensitive part of this authorization is to carry where to carry the token and how to store it. So I will not go deep into it. So maybe in some of the next video I could explore that and do a deeper, let's say, explanation of that. But for now, I will just say, like, be aware of when doing this and handling this, because we store the token inside our JavaScript code here, either in the local storage, session storage, or app storage, where the service are. So for example, we store the token inside the out service, authentication service, however, and it could be exposed if not done correctly. So, and that's basically it. We store it, and this request is authorized, and for the next requests, so any future requests from the application, how they work. Actually, we need to implement a custom HTTP interceptor inside the application in order to work with that. So if you check the code here, interceptor, it's injecting the out service, and here is the key. Const token equals this out token get token. So we're getting the token from the storage, that we stored in that out service when we completed the authorization. And if we have a token, we are attaching it to every request that comes from our application, and that's it. So uh, when we are done that, when we attach the token to the header, this is done, and our requests are authorized, and we pass it to the server, like we pass the request to the server. In case, in any reason, the request that we are missing this like local storage key, or we're not having this interceptor at all, the request gonna fail. We will have like 401 from the backend, and we will need to navigate user to the front end will navigate user to the login sign in page, and basically that's it. The key moment for this authorization, what I would one more point on, is this, like, just be aware of this, and everything else is really straightforward. Why this authorization is good, and because it's simple, it's stateless, because it doesn't regard of the anything else. You just get the token, you propagate your token to the header, and you got the request. So no any states from the browser, as for example HTTP only requests. So you can check that request in my video. I will attach it to the description of this. So in that one you can check how that works, and it's regardless of the state of the browser, you can send request and authorize request or not. This one is really perfect for mobile, because and cross-platform, because mobile doesn't have a browser inside it, and browser cannot do the stuff. This one is really good for the mobile and cross platforms. For this one it's really easy to maintain and do the updates across different platforms. And yeah, that's about it, guys. And yeah, if you like my explanation, and if you like this, please support me in a way that you like the video, leave the comment, or best case you subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.